This video is a review of the Dola AI app. So I'm going to talk about everything you need to know about the app, how to use it and the rest. So you can see this is very much similar to POE. Yes. So now let's start with the interface. So it's an AI, right? And you can see, let me slide at the bottom. So when you tap on the homework, it opens the camera for you and you take a picture of the homework. And then for AI creations too, you get to create these type of images, and you can also edit your images as well and videos, make videos with it. You can also write with it, translate, read a file. If you have a PDF file, you can just tap on this read file and you upload the file from your device, read a web page, you paste the link of the website here too, and it's going to read and summarize it for you. You can see this is edit image, and this is the image I put there, and it edited the image like this for me. You get it? So now let's move to the other interfaces and how to use. So to attach a file, you tap on this here, you see the plus button, and you attach a file. Simple. You tap on the cancel to cancel it. And now let's tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of our screen. Tap on that and you can add couple bots here, and you can see you can add all these. That's why I said it's like POE. So you can see all these are AIs from the Dola team. So what you're going to do is Dola or Dollar. So let's say relationship advice. Tap on that. Come here, you see it appears here, you tap on it and you can type any relationship advice you want from here.
Hi, I'm here to provide relationship advice.
Yeah, so you just tap on anything of that sort and it's just going to give you an advice, something like that. And now let's move to the account. Good. So when you tap on the hamburger menu, top left corner of your screen, you can see your account here. Just tap on that. You can add an account and settings, and here you can change the text size. When you slide to the big one, it becomes big. When you slide to this, it becomes small. You can change your theme to a dark. You can see my theme is dark now. Now let's switch back, and now let's cancel this here. Good. And now let's come back. You can see your search history. Everything you've been typing here is going to appear here. Good. And now you can do a lot here. You can add your Discord account here. You can switch your account, but then just like I showed you earlier, you can switch your account that way. You can tap on your Dola account here and you can delete your account. You can log out. You can log out devices you've signed in Dola AI on as well. Very, very simple. So I think I've talked about everything you need to know about it. You can change your email too by tapping on the mail. Yeah. So it's very, very simple on using the Dola AI. So with the app, it's very, very, very simple to use, right? Simple. So you tap on the Dola here, then you move to your main chat like this, and you tap on the hamburger menu again, you move to relationship, and then you move to your relationship advice. So every bot you add is going to appear here. Discover bot. Let's say you want to talk about books, you like books. So now you open book talk. And can you recommend a classic novel? Yeah. That's it. It's very, very simple, like very, very simple to use. So that's it about the Dola app and how to use it. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.